Hello, my name is Rebecca Pope-Ruark, and I am a faculty teaching and learning specialist in the Center for Teaching and Learning. In this video, we will explore active learning in synchronous and asynchronous environments. By the end of this video and handout, you will be able to define active learning, recognize the benefits of using active learning strategies in your classes, whether synchronous or asynchronous, and identify active learning strategies that may be of value in your courses.
What is active learning? Imagine first your students sitting in a lecture hall or watching a video taking notes as you speak. Students are receiving information from you, but not necessarily engaging with you, the material, or their peers, even if you ask if there are any questions. Now imagine the students in your course using pauses in the lecture or video to answer a clicker question about applying that information, to take a mini quiz, to respond to a writing prompt to summarize the most important points so far, or to articulate something that is not clear to them. Then imagine the students talking to each other, comparing notes and developing questions to ask from the group, doing a problem set or debugging a data set together, peer reviewing their homework assignments. Including active learning strategies in your classes means that you intentionally and meaningfully ask the students to complete varied activities that help them to engage, apply, and interact with what they are learning in the class. Active learning approaches are not an add-on to a lecture, but an integrated part of the learning experience that is connected to the learning goals you have for your students and helps them to think critically and deeply about course material. Why should you include active learning activities in your courses, either face-to-face or remote? Learning theorist D. Fink says that active learning occurs when students get new information, apply or observe that information in a different context, and then reflect on that learning. Active learning helps students to generate and test multiple ideas, see others use the information, and to learn from each other. Study after study shows that active learning increases student learning and motivation to learn, reduces unproductive failure, increases inclusion and self-esteem, enhances professional skill development, and improves students' interactions and collaborative skills. When students actively participate in their own learning, they can achieve these benefits. The handout accompanying this video offers a variety of active learning strategies you may try. You'll find simple strategies such as using clicker questions or the discussion board in Canvas. You'll also find strategies that ask students to engage more actively, such as having students collaboratively solve a problem set or create a concept map connecting their learning. And you'll also find more in-depth strategies, like having students do primary data observations or data collection, complete a group project, or work with an extensive data set. And again, the majority of these active learning strategies work very well in asynchronous environments, not just synchronous.
Thank you for watching this video on active learning. If you return to the Canvas module, you will find handouts associated with this video, as well as another video on learning activities. Thank you for watching.